How to query as group by in Django? I query a model, and it returns. What I want is to know the best Django way to fire a group underscore by query to my database, like. Which doesn't work, of course. I know we can do some tricks on django/db/models/query.py, but I am just curious to know how to do it without patching.
If you mean to do aggregation, you can use the aggregation features of the ORM. This results in a query similar to, and the output would be of the form. If you don't include the order underscore by, you may get incorrect results if the default sorting is not what you expect. If you want to include multiple fields in the results, just add them as arguments to values, for example. References. Django documentation, values, annotate, and count, Django documentation, aggregation, and in particular the section entitled Interaction with Default Ordering or Order underscore by.
An easy solution, but not the proper way, is to use raw SQL. Another solution is to use the group underscore by property. You can now iterate over the results variable to retrieve your results. Note that group underscore by is not documented and may be changed in future version of Django. And why do you want to use group underscore by? If you don't use aggregation, you can use order underscore by to achieve an alike result.
You can also use the regroup template tag to group by attributes from the docs. Source, this URL. Edit. Note the regroup tag does not work as you would expect it to if your list of dictionaries is not key sorted. It works iteratively. So sort your list or query set by the key of the grouper before passing it to the regroup tag.
You could also use Python's built-in itertools.groupb directly. No raw SQL, subqueries, third-party libs or template tags needed in Pythonic and explicit in my eyes.
Isso, olha, tudo